every DPS here now.
Come on, we got this!
Come
I
on,
got
I
three
want my
slag
fucking
mine.
tire, please!
Die! Fuck!
We're getting low on space now.
6%, 5%!
Something.
That.
Last million.
Come on,
Let's
come
get
on,
down.
Come on!
That's looking.
come on.
One fucking percent.
Oh yes!
What?
Congrats, guys. You did
Woohoo!
very big rats.
GG.
That was excellent teamwork.
We stopped that fun here.
Huh?
Okay, so I guess both of you hunters need a bow, so...
Nah, I don't want it.
Okay.
Great job, Jasmine.
No loot.
I died. Awesomely, I know.
It was an honorable death. You took one for the team.
Fucking gold.
Nice.
You need a bow, Jasmine?
What the hell? What kind of question is that?
It's a question.
Don't ask it. No, don't
Yeah,
answer him.
I
Don't
would
answer
love
him.
the
Don't
bow,
answer
yeah,
him.
of course.
You need to roll then.
Oh, sorry.
Ah, okay, no problem.
Oh, I don't need the bow.
Yeah, you can disenchant it then.
Death-trinket though.
Jag kan inte dricka. Ja, rulla för fan!
Du rullar upp på den jävla vyn du.
Okay.
Äh?
My bad. You roll first.
Men för fan!
Men 9 trinket net ringen.
And I guess no one needs the bow.
2 bows.
I want to disenchant it, please.
2 bows, 2 hunters.
I've yet to see the drill side drop.
Fucking warlock again. Fuck warlock.
Troll. Someday, I'm gonna fuck you so far up your ass.
Okay.
Dude.
Take
That's really a lot of information.
Okay. Just give it to somebody else. I got 2 pieces last raid.
I will just give it to you and you can give it to me later.
All right.
Ge den till en av healerna va?
Ja.
Där var ju pro. I think we did this because of the paladin, so...
So who should I give it to? Doodle, he rolled the most. After me, of course.
Yes.
Noobs can't even roll.
What were you saying, Yasmin? I didn't hear you.
Was I saying something?
Yeah, you said something about great teamwork and we were super cool guys.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I heard that as well.
You
but I
went
didn't
in
hear my
with
own
it,
ears.
but yeah, you
Yeah.
did a great job.
Yeah, thanks.
I carried you guys.
What? You're like super bad.
I will be the new mage.
Yeah, we need that.
Majihime will be my
Hello? Hi.
I will be your what?
like